Okay, welcome to my YouTube channel. I will see the next example. If a matrix has 24 elements, what are the possible order it can have? Suppose matrix को 24 elements है तो उसका पॉसिबल ऑर्डर कौन कौन सा हो सकता है, ये क्वेश्चन में हमको पूछा गया है स्टूडेंट्स. नाउ A is a matrix having 24 elements. Now possible orders are 24 elements का मतलब क्या हुआ, अगर 3/3 है तो 9 elements है, तो उन दोनों रो और कॉलम का मल्टीप्लिकेशन 24 आने चाहिए. उतने ऑर्डर आपको जनरेट करने हैं. नंबर 1/24 भी हो सकता है, 24/1 भी हो सकता है, 2/12 इज पॉसिबल, 12/2 इज ऑल्सो पॉसिबल, 3/8 is possible, 8/3 is also possible, 4/6 is possible, and 6/4 is also possible. So these are the possible orders having the matrix having 24 elements. Students, ये 24 elements का possible order है. Suppose matrix has a 13 elements, then what are the possible orders? If matrix has a 13 elements, it means 1/13, 13/1. There are two possible orders. The reason is a 13 is the prime number which is divisible by itself and 1. So we cannot write the other orders because 13 is the prime number. So 1/13, 13/1. Say for example, if I say 27 elements. Okay, then what are the possible orders of 27 elements? So first is, we'll start with 1/27, 27/1, 2 is 27 is not divisible by 2, so we'll write 3/9, 9/3, 27 is not divisible by 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 we have already written. So 27 is having 1 2 3 4 possible order, students. 1/27, 3/9, 27/1 and 9/3. So this is how you can write the possible orders from the given elements. Okay, now we'll see the next example. Construct 2/2 matrix A is equals to Aij whose elements are given by Aij is equals to I plus j the whole square divided by 2. Here we have given the condition, students, and we have to generate 2/2 order matrix. Now we'll see Aij is equals to I plus j the whole square divided by 2. Now to construct 2/2 matrix, A is equals to Aij, where A11, A12, A21, A22. So there are 4 elements in 2/2 order matrices. So here you can see that we have to construct this 2/2 order matrix. Okay, so condition we have given first is Aij is equals to I plus j the whole square divided by 2. Okay, तो हम क्या करेंगे बच्चों, हमको 2/2 ऑर्डर मैट्रिक्स है A11, A12, A21, A22. Now given that Aij is equals to I plus j the whole square divided by 2. Okay, now first we'll find A11. So we'll write A11. So instead of I we'll put 1, instead of j we'll also put 1. So I is 1, j is 1. So 1 plus 1 the whole square divided by 2. So it is 4/2 and 4/2 is 2. So this is our A11 is 2. Now we'll find A12. So A12 means if we compare with this, I is 1 and j is 2. So 1 plus 2 the whole square divided by 2. So 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 square is 9, 9/2. A21. So we'll find A21 means I is 2, j is 1. I is 2, j is 1, I is 2, j is 1. So 2 plus 1 the whole square divided by 2. So 9 by 2. And last is a22, that is 2 plus 2 the whole square divided by 2 is 4 square is 16 by 2 is 8. So our final answer will put this 4 value in the matrix. So we get a11, a12, a21, a22 is equals to 2, 9 by 2, 9 by 2, 8. So this is our answer. So here you can also find aij is equals to I by j by yourself. So I am giving you this, I am leaving this up to you. Please find this same like this, a11, a12, a21, a22, and you will get the value on the right hand side that you have to put it here. You will get the final answer. Okay, now we'll see the next example. Find the value of x, y and z from the following matrices. 4, 3, x, 5 is equals to y, z, 1, 5. Two matrices are equal. If they are equal, then we can compare the left hand side and right hand side value. So we can find x, y and z. So here we'll write 4, 3, x, 5, y, z, 1, 5. Now 4 is equals to y, 3 is equals to z, x is equals to 1 and 5 is equals to 5. So no need to compare anything. So x is 1, y is 4 and z is 3. So this is our answer. Okay, now we'll see the properties of addition. What are the properties of the addition? We have seen the properties of the set in the set theory. Now we'll see the properties of the addition. Number 1, commutative property. Let A and B are matrices of same order, say m cross n. हमने दो यहाँ पे मैट्रिक्स लिया है A and B, उसका जो ऑर्डर है वो m cross n है. You can take any order, right? But it should be same. Then and then only we can add two matrices. Okay, commutative property. A and B are two matrices of same order, say m cross n. Then A plus B is equals to B plus A. This is called commutative property. For example, A is 1, 2, 3, 4. B is equals to 5, 6, 7, 8. If you find A plus B, you will get this matrix. And if you find B plus A, you will get this matrix. So from these two matrices, you can say that A plus B is equals to B plus A. But you have to remember this, A minus B can never be is equals to B minus A. ये माइनस के अंदर कम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी पॉसिबल नहीं है. अगर A एंड B नॉन जीरो मैट्रिक्स है तो आपको प्लस के अंदर, एडिशन के अंदर ही कम्यूटेटिव पॉसिबल है, नेगेटिव के अंदर कम्यूटेटिव पॉसिबल नहीं है. बिकॉज वी हैव सीन द एग्जांपल अर्लियर ऑफ A माइनस बी इज नॉट इज इक्वल्स टू B माइनस ए. हमने ये चेक भी किया था, लेकिन ये दोनों वैल्यू सेम नहीं थी. ओके, नाउ विल सी associative law. What is associative law? A, B and C are three matrices of order m cross n. हमने तीन मैट्रिक्स लिए स्टूडेंट्स, और associative law हमको चेक करना है. A plus B plus C is equals to A plus B plus C. आपको तीन मैट्रिसेस कोई भी लेना है, 2x2 ऑर्डर के, 3x3, लेकिन सभी के ऑर्डर A, B, C के ऑर्डर सेम रहने चाहिए. देन यू कैन चेक दिस प्रॉपर्टी. A plus B plus C is equals to A plus B plus C. Now you can prove it by yourself. Please try to prove this property by yourself. Now number 3, existence of additive identity. A is a matrix of order m cross n and 0 be the matrix of order m cross n. जीरो मैट्रिक्स का हमने नाम दिया है जीरो. ओ भी बोल सकते हो आप, बिकॉज दिस इज अ मैट्रिक्स ऑफ having a zero elements. Okay, then what the existence of identity, additive identity says? A plus 0 is equals to 0 plus A is equals to A. So here if you see, A is 1, 2, 3, 4. Zero matrix is obviously 0, 0, 0, 0. Then A plus 0 is equals to A. Therefore, a plus 0 is equals to 0 plus a is equals to a. So this is how you can prove existence of additive identity property. Okay, then we'll see the last property, that is existence of additive inverse. What is existence of additive inverse? Let A be the matrix of order m cross n, देन a प्लस माइनस ए, अगर a को आप -1 से मल्टीप्लाई करो, दोनों को ऐड करो तो ऑलवेज आपको जीरो मैट्रिक्स मिलेगा, राइट? बिकॉज इफ यू टेक द एलिमेंट लाइक दिस, 2 - 2 इज ऑलवेज 0, 3 - 3 इज ऑलवेज 0, समथिंग लाइक a माइनस a, मैट्रिक्स एक पॉजिटिव है और वही मैट्रिक्स में साइन नेगेटिव है, एलिमेंट सेम है, देन यू विल गेट जीरो मैट्रिक्स. दिस इज नॉट जीरो स्टूडेंट्स. मैट्रिक्स का आंसर कभी कांस्टेंट नहीं आ सकता. दिस इज नॉट जीरो, दिस इज जीरो मैट्रिक्स. सो लेट अस टेक एग्जांपल. a is 1 2 3 4, minus a means you multiply minus to all this element, so we'll multiply -1 -2 -3 -4, then a minus a, this is a plus this is minus a values. Okay, 1 minus 1 is 0, 2 minus 2 is 0, 3 minus 3 is 0, 4 minus 4 is 0. So this is how you can write a minus a is equals to 0. So we have proved the existence of additive inverse. A plus minus a और माइनस ए प्लस ए करो तो आपको आंसर ऑलवेज जीरो मैट्रिक्स मिलेगा. दैट वी हैव प्रूव इन दिस प्रॉपर्टी. सो इन नेक्स्ट lecture we'll see some example based on the addition of the matrices, and we'll see what is multiplication of two matrices, when can we find multiplication of two matrices. Okay, thank you very much.